The NetQ Check MTU feature allows us to view all links within a fabric and see if there are any mismatching MTUs between two connected devices. We can use the NetQ Check MTU command to view all links with a single command. In this case, we've looked at 13 devices and 201 links, and we found an MTU mismatch between LiFo1 and Spino2, in which LiFo1 has an MTU configured of 9216, while the spine it's attached to has an MTU of only 1500. We can go ahead and fix this misconfiguration on Spino2. And in just a moment, we'll be able to see the NetQ Check MTU has resolved. The NetQ Check MTU command not only allows us to view the current state of MTU, but like almost all NetQ commands allows us to see the previous state at any time in the past using the around keyword. And if we look at the state of the MTU 5 minutes ago, we can see that the MTUs were still mismatched. And finally, like all commands within NetQ, we provide a JSON output with structured data.